our school, each day starts with a promise to learn, to grow, and to work hard. With the sound of footsteps, laughter, and quiet determination, we do this not only for ourselves, but for the people we love, our families, and the generations that will come.
Hello, I am Joanna. What is your name?
My name is Sean Michael T. Del Barrio.
Anong gusto mong maging paglaki mo?
Gusto ko po maging attorney.
Bakit?
Gusto ko po tulungan yung magulang ko.
So, may tanong lang po kami. Ano po yung dream job mo?
Currently po, pinag-isipan ko na mag-pursue ng chemical engineering po since broad po yung range po nung specific engineering na yon. I can go po sa farm petroleum, tapos po sa pharmacy po, I can create my own product po. So, pinag-isipan ko po mag-chemical engineering ngayon po.
Hello po, ako po si Kayla May. Ano pong name niyo?
My name is Kenneth Carl Villamil Gomez. I am taking Bachelor of Physical Education, currently a 4th-year student and an intern in Camarines Sur National High School.
Ano po yung dream job nyo and ano pong reason kung bakit nyo po yung napili nyo?
Well, as you can see, my outfit, my uniform is practice teaching. Preferably, my dream job is teacher, public teacher. That is one of my dream job.
My name is Sharina Aurica, and how about you?
My name is Raymart Piamonte Rivero, and my screen name is Beauty.
Ask ko lang if ano po yung dream job niyo?
So, I came from the family of teachers, so that's why I choose to become a teacher someday. And right now, I am a 4th-year college student from the College of Teachers Education.
Every student carries a dream in their heart, a dream to become someone, to make a difference. These dreams are shaped by love, inspired by family, and fueled by hope.
Hi, I'm Marie Janet Q. Andino po.
Ako po si S.O. Gerald Abocado.
Para kanino ka po nagtatrabaho?
Nagtatrabaho ako para sa pamilya ko, saka makatabang sa magulang ko na sa pangaral daw na pangangay po sa Laog Kangarong, especially sa ako may pamilya man ako may aki naman ako para sa indaman yung tigigibo ko.
Then, inot po, gusto ko muna pong maaraman kung anong name mo po.
Ang name ko po ay Jeneline Biosico.
Ang inot pong question is, para kanino ka po nagtatrabaho?
Para po sa duwa kong aki at sa magulang ko po.
And kanino ka po nagkukuha ng lakas para magibo mo po si mga trabaho mo?
Sa duwa ko pong aki, sindang inspirasyon ko po para sa kinabukasan po nila.
The work they do today supports not just their own families, but also the next generation. Through their perseverance, they remind us that every job, no matter how small or big, carries meaning and love. As students, we work hard in our studies to prepare for the jobs we will have. Through our hard work, we honor our parents' sacrifices and build a path for those who will come after us.
Work is the key to provide for our family's needs.
This is how we show our love and care for them. It is also our promise to the generations to come.
So let's work with heart, dedication, and purpose. For today.
For tomorrow.
For the family.
For the next generation.
And for our future.